Hi everyone, let's try to fix and access data in a corrupt hard drive. First, we try accessing the hard drive. Locate the hard drive, double tap on the label. You'll notice location is not available and access is denied. So we try using the check disk run command on the command prompt. Go to the Windows search bar and type cmd. Click on Run as Administrator. The command prompt interface opens. So type the check disk run command, check disk space the drive label colon and /F, which is used to find and repair errors. You notice we have 3 stages. The first stage is examining basic file system structure, while the second stage is to examine file name linkage. The third stage examines security descriptors, and you can see Windows has scanned the file system and found no problems. No further action is required. You can see 0 kilobytes in bad sectors and the files available on the disk. So let's check. So we can now access our hard drive and the files in it. Let's attempt to use. So we close the command prompt interface. In case this do not work, we look for a command that performs more exhaustive check. So we go to the command prompt once again through the Windows search bar. Type cmd, run as administrator. Type check disk space drive letter colon /R. Instead of the initial command, which is /F. This helps to locate bad sectors and recover readable information. We notice we can't run the command because another interface of the command prompt is opened. So let's close the other interface first. Then we type Y for yes, click enter. And we notice we have a fourth stage. The initial command, which uses F, stop at stage 3, examining security descriptors. While we have another stage, stage 4, looking for bad clusters in user file data. Please remember to like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Let's check if we can access the drive while it's still fixing. No, access is denied. So let's continue. Still looking for bad clusters. The progress we have here is 32 out of 752. So this might take a little longer. Just as we all know, the first command, which uses /F, is more of a fast type, but this does more routine and exhaustive check. After stage 4, we still have stage 5, which is the last stage for /R. The fifth stage appears, looking for bad free clusters. Once we are done with the 5 stages, we go ahead to check once again if we can access the drive. Yes, I think we are done. Free space verification is complete. Windows has scanned the file system and found no problems. So we can now access the drive. Yes, and the data in it. So we are done fixing and recovering a corrupt hard drive. Thanks for watching. For more videos, do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell.